Hola, hola, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating your own love it or leave it wedding dress shopping signs. So if you want to know how we made this, then just keep on watching. For this project, I got these signs at Dollar Tree. They are just harvest signs. Oop. They're double-sided, well, single-sided. It does have a little, like this part here is raised, so we're gonna peel this off. And if it has any residue, we're just gonna file it down. You're also going to need paints of your choosing. So I have white, pink, gold metallic, and then a light blue. Also going to need these little flowers. I also got these at the Dollar Tree. And then I got some pearl accents again at the Dollar Tree. So almost everything that I got is from the Dollar Tree. They also have these kinds of paints at the Dollar Tree. I think the only one they don't have maybe this metallic one. You're going to need maybe some sandpaper, a hot glue gun, and then I have this permanent marker metallic pen. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start off, I'm going to begin by removing the raised piece of cardboard, taking off as much as I can. Any residue that is left over, I'm going to take a piece of sandpaper and then just sand it all down so that it is nice and smooth for when we apply the paint. Once we have sanded it down, I'm going to take a white paint, you can choose any color of your choosing, and begin painting the board. I did a total of 2 layers on the front side. After I completely covered the front side, I then turned it over and repeated the exact same process for the back of it, since it is going to be a double-sided sign. So while the signs dry, I'm going to go ahead and paint my flowers. You can pick any colors that you choose. I decided to go with my wedding colors. The little flowers, I painted them a blue. I did about 2 layers of paint on all of the flowers. And then the bigger flowers, I decided to paint them gold. Next, we are going to write the love it and leave it on the sign. Here is the Pinterest picture that we found for inspiration. We decided to first outline it with pencil. That way, in case we do mess up, we can easily erase it. We did go in lightly. That way it doesn't leave any marks on the board itself in case we do need to erase. Once we have the outline perfect how we like it, we went in with the gold metallic marker. Again, I found this marker at the dollar store. You can do the lettering any color that you like. And if you do mess up, don't worry, you can then go in with paint to fix any mistakes. Now that my sign is painted and the letters are also painted, I am going to go in and place my flowers where I think they look best. I put flowers on both the front and the back. I then went in with the pearls and put them on the center of the flowers just to give it an extra pop. And then went on the love it side and put some pearls around the border. And then on the leave it side on the flowers as well, I put pearl centers. Next, I'm going to feed the original hanging string back through. Now I'm just adding some finishing touches on the Leave It side as well as the Love It side, and we are done. And here's our final product. You have the Love It side, and then you have the Leave It side. Super cute. All of the stuff I got at the Dollar Tree. Super inexpensive. I think I spent maybe $5 to make one side, if not less. And so now I just have to make more to accommodate everyone that I'm taking dress shopping. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so that you are notified every time I post. If you try your very own signs, please tag me on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram at Life with Patricia. And I will see you guys in my next video. Adios!